auspices of the Digital Transformation Center of the Virtual University of Pakistan, a training program titled Introduction to Computer Basics for the Visually Impaired was organized in collaboration with the ST Foundation. This initiative was carried out in partnership with the International Telecommunication Union and Norway's Development Cooperation Agency, NORAD, under the project Boosting Digital Skills Through Digital Transformation Centers. This initiative also includes DeafTawk, which is dedicated to bridging the communication gap for individuals with diverse abilities. The chief guest of the event, Professor Dr. Arshad Salim Bhatti, Rector of the Virtual University of Pakistan, highlighted the importance of such training programs in his speech.
This is just the beginning, and inshallah, with the will of Allah and with the support of organizations like ST Foundation and ITU, this program will include all those who really need these trainings all over Pakistan.
Renowned trainers from the ST Foundation, Professor Dr. Christian Barnaraji from Italy and Mr. Sadakain from Senegal, led the training sessions. Both trainers have extensive experience in the field of technology-based education.
This course was really successful, in my opinion, because the trainees were really committed to learn in an environment that is inclusive for everyone. The course was designed according to an inclusive learning model.
For training visually impaired people, you have to use some different things in different approach. So the materials also, we use computers like the sighted one used, but with some additional materials like loudspeakers and headsets to be able to put the audio exercises and to be able for him to use a screen reader.
These experts explained the basic structure of computers and how to use them to the training participants.
छोटे-छोटे boxes हैं जो आपने rows and columns के intersection से बनाए हुए हैं और इनमें आप data लिखते हैं. This is the intersection.
Students were trained in keyboard usage through the 10-finger technique, after which they practiced placing their fingers on the home row keys and performed exercises with the help of audio.
Move your finger back to back.
The special thing about WIU is that they have provided an inclusive environment, meaning that not only are blind people being given training here, but sighted people are being trained as well. So this is a unique opportunity for us.
I think such initiatives bring about extremely good changes in the society. So I personally thank Visually University and our master trainers, Dr. Christian and Sada. I personally think they all have done an extremely good job.
Special guest Mr. Ehsan Zafarpuri praised the efforts of international trainers and partners such as ITU and ST Foundation, expressing hope for further initiatives in the future. The Digital Transformation Program of the Virtual University of Pakistan is a beacon of hope for visually impaired individuals, providing them with the skills and confidence to actively participate in the digital world. With such initiatives, we are moving closer to a truly inclusive society. At the closing ceremony, participants were presented with souvenirs and commemorative shields. At the end of the event, visually impaired trainees enchanted the audience with their voices and sang, adding charm to the ceremony.
तेरा दीवाना अब कोई जजता नहीं नादान है समझता नहीं